Today I want to share with you how you can cleanse your kidneys of those excessive toxins, as well as keep them healthy. Now all you have to do is step into your kitchen. You have no idea, but your kitchen is your hidden treasure that can boost your health. I'm going to tell you about 7 amazing everyday spices that will fix kidney health without medicines. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? These spices will lower your creatinine levels naturally. But before we go further, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that you can get updates for the next video. This video is a guide to a healthier you. I'll explain to you how everyday spices can have a big impact on your health, whether you want to feel better overall or take care of your kidneys. Stay tuned till the end as I help you discover 7 powerful spices or herbs. Number 1, garlic. Garlic is a tasty ingredient, right? But it's a superfood for kidney health. It acts as a natural antioxidant and diuretic, meaning it helps the kidneys flush out toxins, lowering the creatinine levels. Garlic is common and the star of the kitchen. One of the key compounds in garlic, allicin, is a focus of scientists. It has been studied for its ability to treat serious kidney diseases like chronic kidney disease, CKD. Garlic also helps control blood pressure, which is important because high blood pressure is a major cause of kidney damage. As a natural antibiotic, it helps to prevent infections that could harm the kidneys. Studies have even shown that garlic extract may protect against kidney damage, especially for people at risk of CKD. An easy way to add garlic to your diet is to chew 4 to 5 raw cloves daily, or add minced garlic to salads, pasta, rice, and cooked vegetables. If you love garlic bread, try making a healthier version by mixing garlic with olive oil instead of butter. If you don't like garlic, let me share a hack. The trendy hack is to chop 1 clove into very small pieces. Take honey in a spoon, add your chopped garlic on your spoon, and just swallow it with the water. Yes, it will taste less horrible than chewing raw cloves. Do this hack daily before the nighttime brushing routine. Note, remember to drink lots of water. The next one is everyone's favorite, and I bet you like to sprinkle it on every single dish. Number 2, oregano. Oregano is not just a delicious herb, also great for your kidneys. Scientists have found that oregano helps fight inflammation, thanks to its active ingredients, thymol and rosmarinic acid. These compounds help reduce swelling and irritation in the body, which can protect the kidneys from damage. But oregano doesn't stop there. It also acts as an antioxidant, meaning it fights harmful free radicals that can cause cell damage. This protection helps prevent kidney disease and other health problems. Adding oregano to your food is simple. Sprinkle it on garlic bread, pasta, stir fries, or even soups for extra flavor without needing too much salt or potassium-rich ingredients like tomatoes. You can also use oregano oil, but make sure it's diluted. Number 3, cinnamon. You know cinnamon as a warm, cozy spice for desserts. You have no idea what amazing health benefits it has. One of its biggest advantages is that it may help the kidneys by acting as a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body get rid of extra fluids and waste. This can improve kidney function by helping them filter better. Cinnamon is also packed with antioxidants, which protect the body from oxidative stress, a major cause of kidney damage and high creatinine levels. Plus, it helps control blood sugar levels, which is crucial because high blood sugar can harm the kidneys over time. By keeping blood sugar steady, cinnamon may help prevent kidney disease. A simple tip is that you can add a pinch of cinnamon to hot water and drink it first thing in the morning, and over time, you'll see the magic of cinnamon. Studies even show that people with chronic kidney failure who took cinnamon for 3 months had lower creatinine and blood urea nitrogen levels, which is great for kidney health. You can enjoy cinnamon in many ways. Make cinnamon tea, sprinkle it on oatmeal, or add it to recipes. Just be careful with cinnamon oil, as it's very strong. Also, Ceylon cinnamon, sometimes called true cinnamon, is the best choice for health benefits. Note, before you start adding cinnamon to everything, check with your doctor, especially if you're thinking about taking supplements. Number 4, ginger. Ginger is a powerful spice and is used for centuries for its healing properties. Ancient people used ginger for better digestion, fighting inflammation, and supporting the immune system. But did you know it's also great for your kidneys? The secret lies in its active compounds, gingerols and shogals. which reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and support detoxification. It also helps your body stay hydrated, which is important for keeping the kidneys healthy. Ginger works by flushing out toxins, improving blood circulation to the kidneys, and reducing long-term kidney damage, especially for people with diabetes or high blood pressure. Ginger tea is already famous for its health benefits. You can also add ginger to your diet in soups, gravies, or grated into meals. Not only does it taste great, but it also helps clean your blood and improves kidney function. So next time you sip on ginger tea, remember, it's not just a warm drink, but a powerful ally for your kidney health. Number 5, rosemary. You might be a fan of rosemary as it smells awesome. This well-loved herb has amazing health benefits, especially for the kidneys. It contains rosmarinic acid, which helps fight inflammation and oxidative stress, two major problems that can harm kidneys. Think of inflammation and oxidative stress as troublemakers that can cause kidney disease. Rosemary acts like a protector, helping to reduce these risks. But that's not all. Studies show that rosemary can help manage diabetic kidney disease, slow down autoimmune kidney disorders, and even protect against acute kidney injury, a condition that can raise creatinine levels. Its benefits go beyond kidney health. It also supports heart health, helps with digestion, and even boosts brain function. Want to add rosemary to your meals? It pairs well with oily fish, which is great for kidney health because it provides protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It also goes well with chicken, soups, grains, mushrooms, onions, and peas. You can even mix it with other herbs like oregano and thyme for extra flavor. Reminder, while rosemary is good for your health, it should not replace medical treatment. Always talk to your doctor before making big changes to your diet, especially if you have kidney problems. Number 6. Nettle leaf is a strong natural herb that helps clean the kidneys by removing toxins and extra creatinine. It works as a natural diuretic, helps the body get rid of extra water, and reduces inflammation, making it one of the best herbs for kidney health. How to use? Brew nettle leaf tea and drink it every day. Take nettle leaf supplements for extra kidney support. Add dried nettle leaves to soups or smoothies. Historically, it's reported that nettle leaf treats arthritis and relieves sore muscles. Nettle leaf also helps with joint pain, reduces allergy symptoms, and increases iron levels for more energy. Number 7. Turmeric. Turmeric has a powerful natural compound known as curcumin. It's known to protect kidney cells and helps lower creatinine levels by reducing stress on the kidneys. Turmeric also helps with arthritis, supports liver health, and boosts brain function. Now I know that turmeric is not so good in taste, so just mix turmeric powder with warm milk for a soothing golden latte before bed. You can also add it to soups, stews, and curries. You can also rake a turmeric supplement for a stronger dose of curcumin. Your kitchen's lifesavers spices: garlic, oregano, cinnamon, ginger, rosemary, nettle leaf, and turmeric. These aren't just for cooking, they are natural helpers for your kidneys, supporting overall health and lowering creatinine levels. Share this with your friends and family so they can find these hidden treasures in their kitchen. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more health tips. Let's keep working towards a healthier, happier life together.